Hi there. Well, we've been having some problems with our furnace, so after watching some videos on YouTube to get some information, I decided to go ahead and try to troubleshoot it myself and see what I could find out. So first, let me just explain how the furnace should work. Normally, you would get a call from your thermostat, which would signal the system that heat needs to be turned on. The system would apply power to your motor here, which creates a pressure. Once that happens, this is your pressure sensor. Checks it, once it gets the correct signal for the pressure, it lets the system know. Power is then applied down here through here to your igniter, which mine's a hot surface igniter. Once it comes up and it's hot, the gas gets turned on, you get a flame. Once you have the flame, the main blower here turns on and you get heat. So in my case, I checked my light here to see what my trouble code was, and I was getting 2 flashes, which on my unit means that the pressure switch is open. It needs to close to signal the igniter. I also double checked my igniter. I checked it with the ohm meter to make sure that it wasn't a problem there, and it was fine. So that let me know that the problem was either probably with the pressure sensor or a problem with blockage in our tubes here, or a problem with the actual fan or blower itself. So after I did a little more checking, I took some things apart, ended up pulling out the motor here, and as you can see, what had happened is that the fan here just came off. There's a shaft in there, and the fan has a slot, and it's supposed to be on that shaft, but it wasn't. So I'm just going to replace it, clean things up a little bit, put it back together, and we should be back in business. So I hope this helps some of you, gives you an idea of how this kind of a furnace would work. Once I get this put back together, I'll put it back in. This is the pipe that goes on top of it. We'll go back and I'll hook everything back up. Just for reference, this is a Nordyne furnace, and it's approximately 14 years old. Now, before I did anything, the first thing that I did was turn the breaker off. So make sure if you're going to do any work, especially on the electrical, make sure you turn your breaker off and check that, verify that it is off before you do anything. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope I helped you.